Hello everyone. In today's video, we are diving deep into one of the most important sections in Canva, the text tab. Whether you're designing social media posts, presentations, or flyers, understanding how to work with text is key to making your designs pop. So let's explore everything the text tab has to offer, from the basics to the more advanced features. Let's get started. When you open the text section in Canva, the first thing you'll see is the default text style, which are heading, subheading, and body text. These options are your starting points. The heading is perfect for titles, subheading for subtitles or secondary information, and body text for the main content or smaller details. Click on any of these to add text to your design instantly. You can always customize these styles further to suit your design's need. Once you've added your text, you'll see a toolbar at the top with multiple options. Let's break them down. Let's see font. Canva offers a wide range of font to choose from. Simply click on the font drop-down and you'll see categories like handwriting, corporate, display, sans serif, and more according to your previous searches. Browse through them, or you can search a particular font in search bar. And when you find the perfect font, just click on it to apply it to your text. Canva also allows you to upload your own fonts if you're working with custom branding. Just click Upload Font here and add your font. Next is color. Changing text color is easy. Select text, then click on the color icon and choose from Canva's default color palette. Or use the color picker to create a custom color. You can also add your brand color if you're working on something more specific. Next is style. These options are right in the toolbar. Just select your text and click the bold or italic icon to emphasize your text. Need to underline something important? Just click the underline option. If you want your text to be all in caps, hit the uppercase button and your text transforms instantly. Next is effect. One of the coolest features in Canva is the ability to add text effects. Let's explore them. Shadow added a subtle or strong shadow behind your text. You can control the blur, transparency, and even color of the shadow. Lift effects create a soft shadow underneath your text, giving it a lifted appearance. It's great for adding dimensions without being too intense. Hollow effect removes the fill from your text and turns it into an outline. It's perfect for making texts that stand out without taking up too much space. Splice gives a layered cutout effect. You can adjust the thickness and color to create a bold, retro look. Echo effect is similar to shadow, but with multiple layers. It gives your text a layered, echoed appearance, very cool for creating a striking visual. Glitch effect. If you want a futuristic digital look, then glitch effect distorts your text in a way that looks like a digital error, perfect for tacky designs. Neon effect. Add a glowing neon light effect to your text, ideal for bold, eye-catching designs. You can adjust the intensity to create the perfect glow. Background effect is a great option if you want to add solid or gradient background behind your text. You can customize the color, transparency, and padding. Each effect can be fine-tuned to your liking, so play around with them to see what works best for your design. There are few more features in the text sections that can enhance your design. Spacing. You can adjust the spacing between letters and lines with this feature. It's great for fine-tuning your typography to make it more readable or visually appealing. Using alignment, you can align your text to the left, right, center, or justify it. This helps with creating a balanced layout. Transparency allows you to make your text more subtle by adjusting the transparency. This is useful when you want your text to blend into the background or work well with images. Canva also offers tools to help you position your text on the canvas with precision. Use the alignment tool to adjust your text vertically or horizontally with just a click. Let's explore preset font combinations. Canva offers a selection of preset font combinations which are a huge time saver. If you're unsure about pairing fonts, these combinations are designed to complement each other and take the guesswork out of creating visually appealing typography. You'll find combinations like bold headlines paired with sleeky body fonts or elegant script paired with simple sans serif fonts. Just click on one of the combinations and Canva will add it to your design, with all the styling already applied. Now let's see what is Magic Write. Magic Write is a tool designed to help you generate text content quickly and efficiently, whether you need help with writing copy of your design or generating ideas. Magic Writer uses AI to help you craft the perfect message. It's particularly useful for brainstorming or overcoming writer's block. Just type a prompt and Magic Write will generate content based on your input. And that's a wrap-up on Text tab in Canva. As you can see, there's so much you can do to make your text stand out and fit perfectly with your design. Whether you're playing with fonts, adding effects, or using Magic Write to generate content, the possibilities are endless. So get creative, experiment with different styles, and have fun designing. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. See you in the next video. Thank you.